We're gonna make money on ClickBank. I'll show you 3 easy steps that even complete beginners can follow to start earning money today. What I'm sharing with you is one of the best systems for simplicity and effectiveness. It's perfect for beginners, and the best part is, you don't need any capital, an existing audience, a website, or even to make videos. I'll show you how to make at least $500 a month if you stay persistent and don't give up. Watch the video. It won't take much of your time. On your screen is the ClickBank Marketplace after logging into your account. At the top, there's a list of categories. I'll choose one category to demonstrate. I recommend picking a category you know something about because today I'll show you how to create content using AI. Sometimes AI can make mistakes, so you need to have some knowledge to correct them. I'll click on health and fitness. As you can see, there are 592 products available. We need to choose a suitable product. I usually go for a high gravity score. Why? Let's search. What is ClickBank Gravity Score on Google? ClickBank Gravity Score shows how many affiliates have sold a product recently. Higher scores mean more sales. This indicates that the product is popular and easy to sell. You might think, but won't there be a lot of competition? No worries, keep watching, and I'll show you how to avoid high competition. Most affiliate marketers promote ClickBank products through their customer email lists or via Facebook and Google Ads. However, if you're new, this might be challenging since you don't have the capital or a customer list. So, our method will be writing articles on websites with high traffic and optimized for SEO to rank on Google. Today, we'll use Medium. There are many other sites too, and I'll share them in future videos. Let's see how much traffic Medium gets. I'll use Similarweb to check this. Wow, 137 million visits per month. Now, let's stand on the shoulders of giants and start writing. Before writing, we need to find out what your target audience is asking and create engaging content to answer their questions. Let's go to AnswerThePublic. This tool helps you discover the exact questions people are asking about your product or niche. Enter the product name in the search box, and it will show hundreds of questions people search for each month. Next, we group these keywords and start writing. Keywords like comparisons are often searched for, so I'll use Java burn versus citrine as a demo. Now, let's use ChatGPT to write the article for us. I'll type in this command, write a 1,000-word blog article answering the question, which is better, Java burn or citrine, and hit enter. See, in just a few seconds, we have an article pretty fast, right? However, the article isn't ready to use yet. We need to do one more step. Use Grammarly to check for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, and to get suggestions to make the writing clearer and easier to read. I'll go to Grammarly.com and select New Document. Then, I'll copy the content from ChatGPT and paste it here. Next, I'll click on Goals to let Grammarly know what I want to achieve with my writing. For audience, I'll choose General, and for intent, I'll choose Convince. Now, I just need to click on Grammarly's suggestions to make corrections. Since we're using the free version, the quality might not be perfect, but it's good enough for me. I'm using this method, and it works well. If you want even better results, you might consider buying the paid version. With your polished content ready, let's publish it on Medium to reach a wide audience. On your screen is the Medium homepage after logging in. If Medium is restricted in your country, you can use a VPN to access it. I use a Chrome extension called TouchVPN. Now, click on Write a Story to start writing. Copy and paste your content from Grammarly to Medium. Wait a minute, it looks like we forgot the title for our article. Let's ask ChatGPT for help with that. I'll type in the command, give me the title of this article, and hit enter. See, in just a second, we have a perfect title, Java burn versus citrine, which supplement is better for you. Now, I'll copy it and paste it into Medium, and we're done. Now, we need to add some product images to make our article more lively. I'll copy the heading and search Google for images to find a suitable one. Great, here's an image of Java burn. I'll download it to my computer. Next, go to Medium. Click the plus button, select the downloaded image, and upload it to the article. We also need a call to action button so readers can click to buy the product. I'll search Google for Visit Official Website button and download a suitable image. Then, upload it to Medium. Perfect. Now, we need to insert our ClickBank affiliate link. But don't think we're done yet. Keep watching to avoid getting your Medium account banned. I'll show you how to shorten the link to reduce the risk of getting banned. By the way, I've spent all day making this video, so please give me a like and subscribe for motivation. Thank you so much. First, go back to ClickBank, click the Promote button for Java burn, enter your nickname, and find my link section. Copy the link and test it in your browser. If it takes you to a sales page, it's good to go. but we can't paste this link directly into Medium's because their policy doesn't allow it, and they might ban your account. We need to use a link shortener to reduce the risk. Note that this method isn't 100% foolproof, and I'll share more methods at the end of the video. I'll use bit.ly.com to shorten the link. Just sign up for a free account. After logging in, click Create New, select Link, paste your ClickBank link, and click Create. Once the short link is created, test it to ensure it leads to the sales page with your nickname. Perfect. If it does, copy the shortened link, go to Medium, and press Command+K or Control+K on Windows. Then paste the short link, and you're all set. Next, continue finding related images, add more call to action buttons, and publish your article. Consistency is key in affiliate marketing. When I used this method, I maintained writing 2 articles a day for a month. Besides staying consistent, keep these things in mind. Medium can ban your account at any time, so remember to create backup accounts. To increase traffic to your articles, join forums where your potential customers are active. Share useful knowledge and subtly include your link in your posts. Another platform that's really popular among affiliate marketers is LinkedIn.com with 1.8 billion visits each month. It's a great place to maximize your traffic. Here's an example for you. Posting on LinkedIn is super simple. After creating your account, just click on Write Article. From there, I'll copy the title from ChatGPT, then head over to Grammarly to polish up the content before posting it on LinkedIn. The process is pretty much the same as on Medium. I'll also add a call to action to encourage readers to visit my main site. And of course, I'll insert my affiliate links there. After hitting Next, LinkedIn will ask for a summary of your article along with hashtags. For this part, I'll go back and copy the opening summary that ChatGPT provided and drop it in. The hashtag I use will be the product's name. Then, just hit Publish. Now, I'll copy the link to my article, paste it into a new browser tab, and check out how it looks. Looks good, right? The great thing is you can use ChatGPT and Grammarly to create content just once, then post it across multiple platforms to save time and maximize traffic. As you can see, I've posted tons of articles like this on LinkedIn, and it brings in sales pretty consistently. You might feel discouraged at first if you don't see much traffic, but remember, LinkedIn is a social network, so go ahead and connect with more people to increase the reach of your posts. All right. Here's another time-saving trick that doesn't require you to spend money on Grammarly and is perfect for those already using WordPress. Let's dive into this video. I'm going to use the AI Article Wizard feature of Dracula AI. First, I'll input the content for the AI to understand. Then, I'll select GPT-4 as the AI model, set the writing tone to friendly, and choose an article length of 1,000 words before clicking Generate Ideas. The tool will suggest a few ideas. I'll pick Java Burn versus Citrine, best choice, and click on Next Step. Next, I'll select Generate Outline. The tool will provide sample outlines to choose from. I'll go with the third one and hit Next Step. Here, you can drag and drop the outlines to fit your preference and click Generate Taking Points. As you can see, the tool allows you to customize the taking points by dragging and dropping or adding new ones. This is a standout feature of Dracula AI, as other tools might not offer this flexibility. Once you're happy with it, click Next Step. If you want, you can even ask the tool to create an image for your article. Just enter a description in the Image Description field and click Generate Image. As you can see, a clear and relevant image for your article is quickly generated. Next, click Next Step, and the tool will produce a complete article for you. Plus, your article is automatically saved in the app's cloud storage. Now, let's check the document section to review the article. You'll see it saved there, just click on it to view the details. From here, you can choose Publish to WordPress, and the tool will let you review the content one last time before pushing it to WordPress. Click Publish, and boom, everything gets processed automatically. As you can see, a draft of your article is now available on WordPress. All you need to do is hit Publish. And that's one way to create traffic for ClickBank products. There are many other strategies for generating traffic and making sales on ClickBank without upfront costs. I've even put together a YouTube playlist for you. Just click the link and start watching. If you follow this video, you might have questions. If you don't have any questions, it means you haven't done enough or haven't started yet. Please comment below the video if you have any questions. I'll answer them. The next video will cover even more exciting topics. See you in the next video.